Yesterday, there was an image floating around the web, a classic example of iPhone cloning. This time, it was Nokia. Hello everyone, this is RKV and you are watching Unveil Universe. So it is true, Nokia is also coming with that ridiculous looking notch on the top of the display, and Nokia came one of those brands who are coming into the craze of praising that ridiculous notch design like the OnePlus, Huawei, LG, Vivo, Oppo and others. But why did they do so? What's the need of putting that ugly notch on any display of their devices? The main reason behind this design change is the increase in the demand for iPhone 10 like devices in China, and paying $1,000 for that design is too much for anyone, and because of that price tag, iPhone 10 sales is so low. So giving a device that costs only 1/3 of the iPhone 10, people in China are jumping over to get their hands on such devices. So Nokia didn't step back from using that opportunity to get more people to buy their devices. But they are releasing it only in China for now. Because of that, iPhone 10 designs demand. So after knowing all that things, what are your reactions on this decision of Nokia to embrace the notch? Tell me in the comment section below. And if you find these leaks interesting, consider subscribing to our channel, as we are coming with similar leaks every single day. And you can also follow us on Facebook, Insta, Twitter for more updates like this one. So that is all for today. I'll see you tomorrow in the next one. Until then, peace.